C-I-S-C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Oh, let's go with rolls!
Let's see what the lifts are at. So yeah, Schindler, Escalators and Seminyak village, and yeah, these are pretty basic, you won't feel. And they got to H&M actually. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is not interesting. Alright guys, this is it. Schindler 500 with Linea Vetro. It literally is touch sensitive, which is pretty amazing actually. And yeah, this is, you cannot find this in New Zealand. So this is actually a really good find.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'll probably take a while to get here. Here is the lift. And it just went up to R. So yeah, that was kind of disappointing. Yeah, oh yeah, there is another lift here, except yeah, we'll get onto that one later.
Okay.
Really smart shopping centre actually. Here is the lift. Would you look at this? So we'll go down to basement. So yeah, this basically has Linea Vetro fixtures. Like this actually. Which are actually pretty amazing considering like how pretty these elevators are. You guys going up?
Oh, are we going up?
Yeah, we're going up. There's much to see on my company.
Thank you.
And that is what it looks like here. There's all of the fire stuff and go. Okay, this was a fail because this lift is actually not in service probably because of all the maintenance workers being up there, so well, this was actually a fail, so well, at least one lift was like available during the summer.